Hi and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantech Markets for Thursday the 20th of February. We're going to look now at this euro-dollar chart. Now, euro-dollar has come under a bit of selling pressure early on today. And that has continued on from the downside that we saw yesterday. The euro dollar on this daily chart broke above that 36.39 level, and I think that's a pretty good development on this euro dollar chart. It suggests that there's a bullish control to a certain extent. You also got these moving averages that are turning up in bullish sequence, and they're all rising. The momentum indicators are fairly positive. This crossover on the stochastics, I'm not convinced by it because you're in this uptrend channel, so I'm not going to give too much credence to that at the moment. But I think what we're seeing at the moment is just a correction within this series of higher lows in this chart. So I'm going to be looking at this to be using as probably a buying opportunity and look for support to be used as an opportunity to buy. But yes, at the moment it looks like on this daily chart you're coming back a bit of consolidation back towards these moving averages perhaps. On the intraday chart you'll see that furthermore, but what I've drawn in here is you've got this 136.80, which is seems to be a pretty good pivot level now on this euro dollar chart, and that is a band of support that's come in, and you've actually seen that already pretty much tested in the early hours of trading today. You've got the rising 200-hour moving average, which is also providing a bit of support as well. Now I would say use that as a bit of a watershed, I think, in this chart. Zoomed in slightly here, that's 36.80 once more, and that is a fairly decent band of support. So I'd be looking at that to be my pivot level. If it broke below that and started to maintain a position below that, you're also below that 200-hour moving average. I'd start to think that this correction might have a little bit more to run in it, maybe back towards these lows around 36.20, maybe even back towards 35.60. So watch out for that, and you've got the moving averages on the hourly chart which are dropping away. So this is certainly got a corrective feel about it, and it needs this 36.80 level to hold, to sustain this bullish near-term outlook. You've got the RSI, which is already on the hourly chart back towards oversold, so maybe that could provide the bulls with a bit of encouragement. But the other momentum indicators, the MACD is fairly inconclusive, as is the stochastics. So there's not a huge amount to go on these momentum indicators, other than maybe that RSI being oversold. But I definitely think that 36.80 is the level to watch on this euro dollar chart. And if it can form support and start to build again, then that could be already a buying opportunity. But if that starts to break down that level and then form a level below there, and that becomes a basis of resistance, then I'd be concerned that you may come back towards that 35.60 to 36.20 area. So just watch out for that today. Anyway, I wish you good luck with your trading on euro dollar. You could certainly have some influence of this US inflation data that comes out at 1:30 GMT. Any sort of positive move in inflation, a move up towards that 1.6% expected, could have more of a corrective influence on this chart. So again, watch out for that. As I said, I wish you good luck with your trading on euro dollar, and I will speak to you later.